The Ghana Health Services, as part of its efforts aimed at increasing the uptake of the COVID-19 vaccines, launched a series of national vaccination campaigns. The recent exercise, which is the 6th of its kind, was targeted at vaccinating over 62,000 of the Bono East region's population. Deputy Regional Director of Health Services in charge of clinical health, Dr. Paulina Clara Pia, says the move would help bring the region closer to the attainment of herd immunity.
COVID somewhere is COVID everywhere. Even though the cases are not high, if we do not put our house in order and then get our populace vaccinated so that we all are protected, then the COVID cases can come up. We all know that not too long ago when the COVID started, it started in China. And within a short time, Ghana had our first 2 cases and it spread everywhere. So we need to be able to ramp up our COVID vaccination. And so for this 6th COVID vaccination exercise, we have a target of 62,252 to vaccinate, but we still have more than 400,000 people in the Bono East region that need to be vaccinated, and so we have to be able to reach out to them.
With vaccine hesitancy currently the major challenge for health authorities across the country, Dr. Paulina Clara Pia disclosed that the Directorate has strategically trained about 110 community influencers to lead the vaccinators to the various communities to help boost the uptake of the vaccines.
Now in this campaign, quite a number of communities are hesitant. Now they are actually refusing it outright. Some are saying that when you interact with them, they will say that we have taken the vaccines, but when you ask, give us your card, they don't have it because they don't want you to start convincing them. So what we have done as a region is that to be able to improve our at least those who are to receive for the first time, is to train 110 community influencers. We have 10 influencers in each district, and they are actually going with us, with the vaccinators, convincing people to receive the vaccine. I said that we have, as we speak now, we've had 32% having first dose. But prayer campaigns, the first doses came down up to 20%. So we believe that the community influencers have supported us. They have helped us because people know them, they revere them, they are community leaders, and so when they speak to them, they listen.
She was, however, quick to charge eligible persons who are yet to get the jabs to get vaccinated to help protect the entire population.
It's not everybody who is taking the vaccine, because in this country, anybody who is older than 15 years doesn't take the vaccine. So again, it is for us as a society that if those who are eligible can take the vaccine, are willing to take the vaccine, to be able to protect the others. Because if I take, you take, everybody takes, then the likelihood that the virus can spread to those who are young becomes lower. So if people also understand that it is not only about you, but it's about all of us, I'm sure in some people they may also want to take the vaccine, and that is the message that we are taking out.
The Bono East region has currently vaccinated a total of 473,812 persons out of a target of 835,086 of its population, with a cumulative case count of 3,344 and a total of 76 deaths. Anna Sabit, Joy News, Kintampo.